SNO Truck ziriyo zichwekereza enguudo na za culverts mu district ya Rwampara n'obumoli yasimwe yabari mu rushitama rw'ishengyero erizooba omuri KAMPALA. Mora simwe najangu haba hatine kikozurwe bonka bazwekerwa omwishengyero nibija kuba baremwe kuzwekera j'abantu babo. Bwanyuma yo kayonshongezi omunyamakuru witu yamuhikirira kugera bihango ebiyatangaza hanshongezi eza SNO Truck.
Byaro imwe bakashitunga y'umushenyi mbwene nibazayo bakira umushenyi mu motoka y'ibintu bihango munonga turi kwingana na ingeto zetu za Rwampara kandi nibabijuza munonga kandi bavuga speed bashishe mbuto nahi bakushanga caravats za bridges ezo nazo zibaruka kandi no kubeha wesente kine nko kukigumira.
Omugandi omurushitama rw'ishengyero orwabahera izooba bwanyuma ya vice chairman w'akakiiko k'eishengyero k'ebibwegese yaashoma ruponta erukukwata hakwongezebwa school fees abanyeshengyero baashaba speaker kwahinguza ekitiiso ky'okureeba ngu amashomero ago government erukushashura fees kandi bakagaruka bakahereza sente z'ahaiguru bareke kubaho obuyambi ahabw'okuba nibeebaasa.
The provision of education to the private sector to milk the Ugandans, and now there is iniquity in the education sector.
If the foundation bodies and the people running these schools are saying the moment we reduce the quality of our schools, okay, the quality of our delivery of service is going to go down.
Abanyeshengyero bahagira ekitiiso eki.
Purpose of record, I, Alioni Ondria, vote no.
It's just but fair for me to vote yes.
As the second of the motion, I want to thank the House and even thank the President because many people have been using his name. I want to thank him for having allowed Parliament to exercise its independence, and I vote yes.
I vote yes.
Tukachererwa munonga amashomero gaye korekiga kwenda obwire bushikire obwire I think ni bwo kandi nshaba abanyayuganda mwena abazire nimwe abakuza kuzara abana mwikirize mutkwasi tuba members of parliament tuhindura hitekeri
tukora no kuranga twayamba abantu baburijo umwana w'umworo nawe yashoma ahabwo kuba hati hariho amashomero agaboro hamwe n'agabagiga kandi amashomero agakubirega agabantu bona kuzamu aga government ushangana gashabe sente nyinji munonga kuciranangwa n'agabantu buntu.
Bwanyuma speaker yaragira akakiiko k'ishengyero k'ebyobwegese okongera kukora okucondoza kurukumara ahanshongeegi na bwanyuma bacwemu ekyahamuheru gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza omuri KAMPALA.